Anyway, ito, leader of the band. Requested ni Bern. Hello Bern, salamat sa pag-request ng kantang leader of the band. This is one of my first and favorite folk music, country music na natutunan ko sa gitara. Kaya salamat sa pag-request. Ito. A lonely child alone and one, I come to make her son. His eyes were meant for different work, and his heart was not to know. Love is only when it's known, a solitary way. And he gave to me a gift I know will never get repaid. A quiet man of music, denied a simpler fate. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music couldn't wait. He had his love through discipline, a thundering velvet hand, and his gentle means of sculpting songs took me years to understand. The leader of the band is sad, and his eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument, and this song is in my soul. Our love has been a poor attempt to imitate a man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. My brother's lives were different, for they heard another call. One went to Chicago and the other to St. Paul. Well, I'm in Colorado when I'm not in some motel, living all this life I've chosen and gone to know so well. I thank you for the music and the stories all around. I thank you for the freedom when it came our time to go. I thank you for the kindness and the times when you got tough. And Papa, I don't think I've said I love you near enough. The leader of the band is sad, and his eyes are growing old, but his blood runs through my instrument, and this song is in my soul. My love has been a poor attempt to imitate a man.